Okay, so I want to show you the original file renamer process that I've used. It always works. It's just a little geeky, and you can do it inside of Windows. But basically, we got a list of files here, and I want to put that list of files in this Excel spreadsheet, and then, document what I'm going to rename it to. So then that way I still have a historical record of the previous files, and I'm going to make copies of the original files and rename them. So let's get started with this. One of the first things I did here is created a bat file. And this is just a simple notepad file. You can create it using a text document. In this case, I called it list_pics.bat. And BAT makes it like a little script file. So I'm going to open that up and show you what I have in it. So it's in the same directory as the pictures. So if I use this command, dir space \B for bear, which means it doesn't give all the file details, and then I hit space, and every camera prefixes their pictures a different way. This one has IMG, so the file is so the dir is looking for files called img ***, and then it's outputting it using this symbol here to the pic_list.txt file. So all I have to do, let's see if I have something in there right now. I do. So let me delete that because I want to show you how it works. So when I click on that, it just runs. And then you have all your files in a list that you copy, and then you place it and paste it into your Excel spreadsheet. And so you have, you have a first column here that's basically the original file. We'll just call it picture. So then we can use, now that we're in Excel, we can use the Excel commands to create a new file. But first we want to, kind of give a description of what we want it to be. And, these are groups of images. You can see that they were taken on a certain day or something like that. Let's see what this one is. Oh, so this is my RC truck. Okay, so copy that down. Let's see what these next ones are. Okay, it's my little kitty. Okay. Kitty. What's 1901? Oh, more kitty. It's the HDR one here. Oh, more kitty. Oh, no. I got out of my folder. I killed my folder by accident. Let's see, 14.2. Okay, this is house. And so forth. So you can see how this works. This can be any kind of descriptive name. Go see. Oh, there's a house again. So we're just going to pull these on down. I'm going to look at what these are. Oh, kitty again. But it does take some time. I mean, but then you have a record. You're inputting data. You're just collecting data. I'm just going to pull that down and let's see what these are. Oh, flowers. Okay, so I have to put sequences on there because you don't want those to be the same. They can't be the same name. So you can start a numerical system here too if you want to. it could be anything. I mean, in my work example, it could be like direction, like you're taking directional pictures, like this is the northwest or southeast direction of the picture. In this case, we're just putting numbers on there. But it's basically anything that would make that group of pictures unique. So then we want to copy, but what we're doing in Excel is creating using the power of Excel scripting and putting like functions in the cells to make it easier. So we're going to put another file here, and you'll be able to see this here, because now we're going to pull that new file together. We're going to say we're going to use B1 and append it with a underscore and append it with the number, which is C2, and so this field will look like this. Oh, that's actually B2. So this is what the new file is going to be. So I'm going to make a command that copies these to this, and it's going to be called, file. But we got to let's put the JPEG on the end of this, because these are all JPEGs. So I'm going to put another ampersand asterisk point JPG. So that's a complete file name. So now what we're going to do is copy this image to a new file name. And to do that, we're going to use basically this formula method here to create a new copy command. And to copy these files, the command is basically copy, and then it's a space. We're going to put oh shoot, what did it do? So we're going to put the old file name, which is A2, and then we're going to put ampersand, there's a space there, and then we're going to put the new file name, which now is D2. So the command over here looks like this. So we're copying that image file over to a new command. So I'm going to save this. But then I'm going to copy this, hit copy, make me another text file, and call it a bat file again, and this is a blank one. Copy pics, gotta hit edit, and I'm going to paste those copy commands in there. Hit save. Now you could do this with open source type of spreadsheet too, but check this out. Bam, got them. Copied all of them to new pictures. That's all I have. Have a good day.